And our home is sacred. This is our first home. It means a lot to us that it's well taken care of. This roof that had failed us, we needed a new roof. There are a lot of folks out there that do roofing and that do solar also. We've interviewed several people. We had a leak in the roof. Thank God we called you guys. And the prices, the service, you deliver across the board. I did give you a hard time in the beginning.
Oh, the beginning, yeah.
Yeah, I was like, you know what? I don't believe
You don't need my electric bill.
Yeah, you're right. You don't need my. That's exactly right. I said you don't need my electric bill. Just tell me what's going on, and we'll go from there. And they made it simple for us. Everything well presented, smooth process. I must have called you late at night. Every time I called this man, he called us back right away.
When you solar with Walker Power, you solar with family.
You mentioned us being family, and that is exactly what it is. I couldn't believe you called me back. You came across extremely friendly. You're family, and I appreciate that. Thank God you made it extremely easy. Your presentation was great. It explained everything. You being on top of everything and calling us when you had to call us, putting our mind at ease, made our decision easy. Extremely easy. Solar was just easy compromise in marriage. It just worked out well. Not only do I have a roof warranty, but you guys cover lifetime. I tell everyone this life and they don't believe me. I am testament of this, and I can tell you wholeheartedly, you can even call me anytime you want. I will tell you that these folks deliver on what they say. They treat you like family. Again, I called you in all kinds of crazy hours. He returns my every call. And he works with us, and I think that's important nowadays. You just don't get that anymore. And, it's good to see that. It really is. Barry and Larry are the guys installing my solar. Wow. And they're up there now on the roof. And gracious, professional, courteous, nice guys.
If you hit the subscribe button below, it'll bring you good luck and more videos. When you solar with Walker Power, you solar with family.